This is the future.
Subscribe to NG Experiments for more videos and tap the bell icon and click on all. Hello friends, welcome to NG Experiments. So today we had made fountain. We will see it. You can see it.
Fountain is gifted to my parents for their anniversary. Let's watch the video.
So this is our base plate made up of plastic. This is submersible pump. $220 volts to 240 volts. You can give it. It will be like this. We have to stick this RGB strip to this plate. We'll stick this LED strip here. We'll remove the tape. We'll keep here hot glue, otherwise our wires will be desoldered. Base is finished. This is the sensor. We have kept wooden pieces. This is our controller, and these are 4 wires. This is red. This is for blue. This is for V positive, and this is green. We'll go to second step. This is medium sized plate, which is smaller than our big plate. It will be like this. We are keeping RGB lights for this also. We'll stick it and we'll do the connection. So we had made holes. It will be like this. So this is aluminium pipe which we are going to keep here. We have to make here hole of this length. We have to cut it. We have to cut here and we have to place in middle. we had kept hole. It will be like this. And we have to do the same thing for small plate. We have to keep RGB strip and we have to make holes and center of plate to keep like this. So we had attached our plates, medium and small size. We had kept hot glue. Now we have to connect these wires. In series we have to connect it. We'll keep M-seal down to avoid water leaking problem. These are aquarium pebbles. This is hexagon box of eraser. We'll make hole here according to this, and we'll make holes for every side, and we'll fix here. I'm pouring water. You can see I have poured water. Now we'll on it. I'm keeping. You can see it. Now I am on the remote.
Please like this video,
Share this video.
And subscribe to NG Experiments for more videos.